Hello once again, and Akwaba to the Returnees Sankofa channel. Like always, it's your man Kofi, and I'm glad always to bring you history or a bit of information about interesting things in Ghana. Yes, so today I am bringing you, or I'm taking you on a tour to a place where they make beads, glass beads. So I'm taking you on a tour of a renowned glass beads factory in the eastern part of Ghana, precisely in the eastern region where the Krobos reside. So let's go on a tour to the glass beads factory. Stay tuned and don't go away. Your man Kofi will be with you soon. Ago, welcome back again to the Returnees Sankofa channel. Like I said, it's your man Kofi, always excited to bring you some bit of information. Let's go on a journey, on a tour to the CEDI Beads factory, or the glass beads factory. So I would say it is a must for visit when you are in Ghana to the eastern region where glass beads are made. These glass beads are made from recycled glass bottles, and after being made into beads, are sold to markets and craft shops through the country and overseas. The art of making glass beads has a long history in Ghana for over the past 400 years. Whoa. For over 400, or the past 400 years. Wow. The finished products have been used in ceremonies. Say ceremonies of birth, coming of age, marriage, and death. Today, the city of Odumase, Krobo in the eastern region, and the wider Krobo, that is the district, are particularly associated with making of traditional glass beads. Yes, so that was interesting. Now let me take you through how these beads are made at this glass beads factory, or the CEDI Beads factory. So recycled glass bottles are crushed using a heavy pestle and mortar, the traditional pestle and mortar, but almost like industrial, very huge. Yeah, just like when you go to some of our local restaurants or the chop bars where you find your fufu. You see this big or this huge mortar, and then a man with a heavy pestle, very heavy, very heavy looking pestle, pounding the fufu. So it's equal as how at glass beads factory they use this traditional method in crushing these bottles. Good. So after being reduced to a fine powder, the glass is poured into a mold made of clay. The inside of the mold is covered in a mixture of kaolin to stop the glass from sticking to the glass. So mold are being made of clay. Yes, so the mold is carved, you know, in a mixture of kaolin and water to stop the glass from sticking to the sides of the mold. Great. So the powder can be laid to create different colors and patterns, or kept plain when ready. Yes, so the mold is placed into a kiln and baked. Yeah, patterns and decorations can be added after the initial firming. In this case, crushed glasses or crushed glass powder is mixed with a little water and then painted onto the bead. Yes, so which is then fired a second time. So you put this on the fire for the second time. So sometimes dye is added for extra bright colors, or when colored glass is unavailable for more translucent beads, the glass is broken into small pieces as opposed to being ground into a powder. Yeah, so the kiln is made from termite or termite mound clay. It is heated using crushed palm kernels. Yeah, so which burn at an extremely extremely hot, yeah, or extremely hot temperature, and retain heat well. I mean, it burns at extremely hot temperature and retain heat well. Great. So ironsmiths used same kernels in local villages throughout Ghana to make axes and hoes. Yeah, so these blacksmiths or the ironsmiths, so they use the same kernels as local villages throughout Ghana to make axes and hoes. They hit, they have a tool that they pump just to blow the fire, and it's really gets extremely hot. Yeah, so the glass beads are usually fired for an hour. As soon as they come out of the kiln, a small metal tool is used to create a hole in the string, or a hole for the string to fit through. Some bead holes are made using a cassava stem that bends away during firing. Yeah, so leaving around perforation. Good. Once the beads are cooled, they are washed using sand and water. The beads are then strung and ready for sale at colorful markets throughout the country. So this is how beads are made in the beads or CEDI Beads factory, or this is how the glass beads are made in the CEDI Beads factory. Now I'll tell you one interesting thing or attractive thing about this place. In case you are in Ghana, you want to visit the CEDI Beads factory, where they make glass beads in the eastern region. Yeah, so this place is a hidden down, or it's hidden down an unpaved road. The CEDI Bead factory isn't the easiest place to find. Once you do, you are rewarded with a sight of a beautiful garden planted around detached building that serves as the factory itself. So this is no noisy center of industry. The CEDI Bead factory employs about 12 full-time staff and is surprisingly quiet. It is surprisingly quiet. So tours around this place is free. It's free and takes approximately half an hour or 30 minutes, making this the perfect stopover for those who en route to Kumasi. You can branch, or if you're heading towards the Volta region or the Volta River, the Akosombo Dam, you can also branch just to see this place. So this center has a small gift shop which has very nice beads for sale. You can shop your beads, beautiful colorful beads right at the center, as well as bracelets, earrings and necklaces. Good. So this is just a short information I want to bring you on the CEDI Beads factory, where glass beads are made in the eastern region. Yes, and these people, most people who wear these beads in Ghana traditionally are the Krobos. They are the beads, so they held depot also puberty rites, and they use all these beads in decoration, when this rite is due or when this time comes. So they wear very colorful beads nicely around their waist, their neck, their wrist, and even their the airwares also wear beads, but not compared to the Krobos. The Krobos are the original beads, people who originally wear beads. I mean, some Ashantis also wear beads, but you can't compare to the Krobos, and they are mostly beautiful women. Yes. Thank you again. My name is Kofi. Like always, I bring you just information right from Ghana on the Returnese Sankofa channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, like always, I humbly say to subscribe to the Returnese Sankofa channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button for more videos. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. My name always Kofi. Medase.